getting an awesome class.
What are you painting?
I'm painting.
A pine cone?
I am.
Are you gonna put it on your Christmas tree?
Yeah, it has to dry.
It has to dry. Are you gonna use some glitter?
And I'm done with the paint bussing. And I'm done with the paint bussing. And I'm done with the paint bussing. Does this one work? I think it does.
You put some glitter glue on?
Yeah. What's me? Is it coming out?
Oh, let's see.
It's so pretty. There's one paint bus.
Okay, so you gotta come out now. Yeah, see? Put some glitter.
Can you put more paint in here?